Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Piyu Marchande and today I am here with a new vlog. आई नो काफ़ी दिनों से मेरे वीडियोस नहीं आ रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा स्केड्यूल बिजी चल रहा है, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू एडिट द व्लॉग्स. बट येस, ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने शूट नहीं किया, मेरे पास बहुत सारा कंटेंट पड़ा है. टिल द टाइम यू गाइस कैन वॉच माय शॉर्ट वीडियोस जो मैं आजकल टाइम मिलता है तो पोस्ट करती हूँ. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग फॉर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन दैट इज़ sound healing. We are going for sound healing session. I request you all to please watch the entire video, and if you guys like the video, please just hit on that like button. See you. And also one thing guys, अगर आप लोगों को भी sound healing sessions लेने हो basically in Pune, so there's a very good friend of mine who is conducting today's session. So she is also a certified yoga trainer as well. I will mention everything into the description box, so please go and check out there. And yes, let's enjoy the now sound healing session which I'm going to enjoy. That is with my dance teacher and one of my very good friend. So let's see, let's explore. So guys, these are all the sound healing instruments which I used. These are sound healing bowls. Look at the setup. Wow. Our instructor, a sound healer, she has already made the setup for us. Okay guys, as I said that today we are going for a sound healing session. So here we are at Sneha's place, and I am with my lovely dance teacher Sakshi ma'am and Isha. And yes, our sound healer, she is Sneha.
We are 70% water. If water is behaving in this manner, so how within inside of you, to your cellular level, how much impact
Nothing's like it used to be, 'cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never blink. I'm listening in like a kid just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about a half-cut dated metaphor and lately made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home.
Hi Sneha, today's session was so nice, but I wanted to know more about pranic healing and what it is as a beginner and what we can expect going into it.
So see, pranic healing, if I would really like to explain, so it will take a lot of time. And what I have learned, and from the limited knowledge that I have, in very crisp, if I want to define what pranic healing is, it is an energy-based system which uses the life force, which is used to heal your whole physical body. And through pranic healing, I can heal you. I don't need you in person. Suppose you're sitting at your home, and from here only I can heal you. So you can see it's a distance based healing system, no touch, no physical presence. Energy, through energy means using the life force, we are working on the chakras, your meridians, and through this we heal your whole physical body and your issues at the physical level or the mental or the emotional level. I think this is the best I can summarize it.
Anything that we should expect going into it?
See, any healing modality is basically just helping your body. Your body is the actual healer. We are just facilitating the body to accelerate this healing process.
Okay.
So be it pranic healing or sound healing or reiki or whatever it is. So whenever one comes for healing and uses alternative ways to heal oneself, first one should be open, receptive, and one should have faith. This is the basic, the necessities that are required, because otherwise no healing modality will work if you are coming with some doubt. So this is the best which I can summarize, but this is not the explained or detailed definition or justification to what pranic healing
For a
is.
layman.
Yeah, for a layman, it's an energy based system which will help you accelerate your prana.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sneha. That helps bring a lot of clarity. Looking forward to more sessions. Thank you.
So now guys, I have came back from the very good sound healing session. That was so much relaxing. आप वीडियो में देख ही सकते हो कि that was so much calm and so much positivity it was there. And सच में, if the people who are residing in Pune, they can really contact the sound healer. I have mentioned everything in the description box, the Instagram ID I mean, and you can contact them, or else you can reach out to me as well. You can try to comment on my post or else my video, and definitely you can have a really good session. Apart from the sound healing session, she also does is the pranic healing also. So yes, as in the video also she has mentioned that you do not have to be physically present with her, you can do it on the long distance as well. So yes, I really recommend. And yes, that is all. The session was really good, really lovely, we all enjoyed it. Yes, that's all for today. Bye bye.